Good day! We are here right now at Friendship Residences. This project is located in Bitnambayan 1, San Mateo, Rizal. So this is a two-story townhouse with 2 bedrooms. The lot area of this townhouse is 36 square meters. And the floor area is 55 square meters. As you can see, na-maximize po talaga ang area. This will be our kitchen. Hindi lang po included ang ating overhead cabinets. So this will be the toilet and bath. Let's go upstairs. Sa taas po ay meron tayong 2 bedrooms. So, on this side is our master's bedroom. As you can see, ang nilagay po natin dito sa model house ay queen bed. So, makita nyo po na maluwag pa po yung area. Hindi lang din po kasama ang ating closet sa turnover. The steel door of this townhouse are all made of steel. So, these are what we call the steel doors. Ito naman po ang isa pang bedroom. Kung napansin niyo po, meron na po siyang abang para sa ating aircon po. Ating window type aircon. So, this project is very accessible po, no? Bali, doon lang po tayo bababa sa Paraiso, which is also near St. Matthew College. From there po, pwede tayong maglakad. Going here to Friendship Residences is about 6 to 7 minutes na walking. If ayaw nyo naman po maglakad, pwede naman po mag-tricycle or meron din po si pedicab. So this is Friendship Residences. I'm Madeline Bacara. And if you're interested to view Friendship Residences, you can see my contacts at the end of this video. Thank you so much!